Introduction. Welcome to our YouTube video where we take you on a journey through the captivating history of one of the most iconic and influential companies in the world, Apple Incorporated. In this brief documentary, we'll explore the humble beginnings of Apple, the brainchild of Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne. Discover how this groundbreaking company emerged from a Silicon Valley garage and went on to revolutionize the technology industry with its first ever product. The birth of Apple. Our story begins in the year 1976, when Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne founded Apple Computer Incorporated in Jobs' family garage. The trio's vision was to develop and sell personal computers to everyday consumers, a concept that was still in its infancy at that time. The first Apple product, the Apple I. In 1976, the team unveiled their first ever product, the Apple I computer. Designed and hand-built by Steve Wozniak, the Apple I was a bare-bones circuit board that lacked a keyboard, monitor, or casing. It was, however, a significant breakthrough in the computing world as it was one of the earliest computers to come with a pre-assembled motherboard, making it easier for hobbyists to get into computing. The Apple II, a game-changer. The success of the Apple I allowed the company to invest in further product development, leading to the launch of the Apple II in 1977. Unlike its predecessor, the Apple II came as a complete package, featuring a keyboard, built-in basic programming language, and color graphics. The Apple II proved to be a massive hit, driving the personal computer revolution and propelling Apple into the spotlight. The Macintosh and the GUI. In 1984, Apple introduced the Macintosh, a computer that featured a graphical user interface, GUI, and a mouse, making it user-friendly and accessible to a broader audience. The Macintosh set new standards in design and functionality, but its high price tag limited its initial impact. Nevertheless, its innovative GUI laid the groundwork for future computing interfaces. Challenging times and Steve Jobs' return. Throughout the 90s, Apple faced numerous challenges, including internal conflicts and declining sales. In 1997, co-founder Steve Jobs returned to Apple after a period of exile, and under his leadership, the company began its remarkable transformation. The iPod, iPhone, and iPad era. The early 2000s witnessed a string of revolutionary products from Apple, starting with the iPod in 2001, which revolutionized the way we listen to music. This was followed by the game-changing iPhone in 2007, which redefined the smartphone industry. Later, the iPad, launched in 2010, created a new category of tablets, further solidifying Apple's dominance in the tech market. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, the best and worst products from Apple can be subjective and vary based on individual preferences and experiences. However, I can mention some products that were widely considered successful and well received by consumers, as well as some that faced criticism or challenges. Best products. iPhone. The iPhone revolutionized the smartphone industry and set new standards for mobile devices. Its intuitive user interface, build quality, and ecosystem of apps made it hugely popular and a commercial success. MacBook Pro. Apple's line of MacBook Pro laptops is known for its sleek design, powerful performance, and excellent build quality, making it a favorite among professionals and creative users. iPad. The iPad brought a new category of tablets into the market, offering a versatile and portable computing experience that appealed to a wide range of users for work, entertainment, and creativity. AirPods. Apple's wireless earbuds. The AirPods became a cultural phenomenon and set the benchmark for true wireless earphones, offering convenience and seamless integration with Apple devices. Apple Watch. The Apple Watch has become a leading smartwatch, offering health and fitness tracking, app integration, and connectivity with other Apple devices. Worst products. Apple Maps. Upon its initial release, Apple Maps faced numerous issues with inaccurate data and limited functionality compared to competitors like Google Maps, leading to a significant backlash from users and media. iPhone 5C. The iPhone 5C was marketed as a more affordable option but received mixed reviews due to its plastic construction and relatively high price compared to other mid-range phones. Macintosh Portable. Released in 1989, the Macintosh Portable was heavy, expensive, and had limited battery life, making it impractical for most users and leading to poor sales. Macintosh TV. Launched in 1993, the Macintosh TV was an attempt to combine a computer and a television, but it failed to find a market due to its high price and limited capabilities as both a computer and a TV. Power Mac G4 Cube. The Power Mac G4 Cube, released in 2000, had a unique design but struggled to find a market due to its high price, limited expandability, and cooling issues. It's important to note that Apple's product lineup has evolved significantly over the years, and new products have been introduced after my knowledge cut off. Additionally, consumer opinions may differ, and some products that faced criticism might have been improved or updated in subsequent versions. Conclusion. From its humble beginnings in a garage to becoming one of the world's most valuable companies, Apple's journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. Through innovation, bold vision, and a dedication to excellence, Apple has left an indelible mark on the technology landscape. Join us as we celebrate the pioneering spirit behind Apple's first product, the Apple I, and how it laid the groundwork for a technological revolution that continues to shape our world today. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video to explore more exciting stories in the world of technology. Thank you for watching Fancy Bear YouTube channel.